Hello, my lovely students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Thank you very much for watching my All English 1 presentation. So, today we will learn lesson 9, that is articles. Now we have come to an end of quarterly portion. So this is the last presentation of quarterly portion. In this presentation, we will learn about definition of articles, various types of articles, that is a and the, and in the last, where all we will not use the articles. Proceeding further, first of all, we will know the definition, what is article. So, articles are words that are used to point out a particular noun or pronoun. They are also used before common noun to tell us about their quantity. Okay, so you all know what is the meaning of common noun? Common noun is a general name for a person, place or thing. So, we used articles before the common noun or a particular noun. Let's see the examples. First example is a cat is roaming in the street. See in the image, a cat and street. We have used article a and article the. Cat is a noun and street is also a noun. So before the common noun or particular noun, we use articles a and the. The next example we'll see. A crow flew away the house. Again here, before crow, a is there, that is the article. Before house, article the is there because crow and house is a noun. Third example we'll see. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now here you see apple is a noun. Okay. So we have used article an. Okay. So now we have learned three articles, a and the. One more example we'll see. My friend is a pilot. Now you see here, pilot is also a noun, particular noun. So before pilot, we have used article a. So from the various sentences, the highlighted words, that is a and the in the sentences, are called articles. Okay, because they are used to point out a particular noun. Next, we will learn one by one the various articles where all we use. So first is article a. A is used before common noun that are singular and begin with a consonant or consonant sound. So first of all, we will know what is consonant and vowel. Okay. So vowels are the alphabets A, E, I, O, U. Means these 5 alphabets, English alphabets, are called vowels. Okay. Except these 5 alphabets, all English alphabets are called consonant, like B, C, okay, D, F. These are the consonant alphabet. So before consonant, we use article A. Let's see example. Viraj wants to buy a cricket set. Now here cricket is a noun, okay, and cricket, the first alphabet is C and C is a consonant. So before C we have used article A, means before cricket we have used articles A. See in the image. Next example, Radha is reading a book. Again, book here is noun and book, the starting alphabet is B and B is a consonant. So before B, means before book, we will give article A. The next is my aunt works as a travel agent. Now here you see travel is there. Travel starts with T letter and T is a consonant. So that's why we have given before travel A. So wherever any word starting with the consonant or consonant sound, we use article a. The next article is an, where all we will use an. So an is used before common noun that are singular. Again we will use for singular noun, and begin with vowel, okay, or vowel sound, means a, e, I, o, u. Wherever these alphabets will be there, before that we will use article an. Let's see the example. Sia ate an orange. So here you see orange is there. Okay. How many orange in the image Sia is eating? One orange. Okay. Singular. So orange, O is a vowel. So before vowel we have given an article. Next example. Hemant bought an umbrella from the market. You see in the image. How much umbrella Hemant is having? Only one. Okay. Singular. An umbrella, U is there. First letter is U, means U is a vowel. So what we will give? We will give an before umbrella. The third example we'll see, Rohan is an honest boy. Now here honest start with H, which is a consonant. But here we have given an before honest. Why? Because when we pronounce honest, the O is coming first. Means vowel sound is coming first. Honest. Okay. So that's why here H is silent and honest is there. O is spelled. That's why we have given an before honest. So this where all will use an article. Proceeding further, article the. So let's see where all we will use the article. The is used to denote a specific person, thing or an idea. Okay. To refer to noun that has already been mentioned, which is mentioned before in the sentence, like I saw a boy fall on the road. Okay, an old man helped the boy to get up. Now here boy is used two times. Before also boy is mentioned in the above sentence. That's why in the last sentence we have used the boy. Before boy, the is there. Because up also you see first sentence boy is there and second sentence also boy is there. So in second sentence we will use the article. See in the image the boy has fall down. Next, to refer to unique object that are unique, means the unique object like sun, stars, moon. Okay, so these are the unique object. Before unique object we will use the sun, the moon, the stars. Next, where we'll use the? To refer to a whole group of people. Okay, like see in the image, so many students are there, group of students are there. Okay, so we'll use the students, the Dutch, the Americans. Okay, we are Indians, so we'll say the Indians. Group of peoples are there. So which article we will use? We will use the when we are representing group of people. More we will see where all will use the with adjective of superlative degree. In my previous presentation you have learned about degree of comparison, positive, okay, comparative and superlative. Okay, so before superlative degree we will use the, like the best car. Now best is a superlative degree of good, better, best. The hottest is a superlative degree of hot, hotter, hottest. So hottest is a superlative degree. So before superlative degree we will use the best car. Before the name of rivers, deserts, mountains, countries, etc., we will use the. Like in the image you see Ganga is there. We will say the Ganga. We will not say Ganga only. We will say the Ganga because Ganga is a river name. The Alps. Okay, Alps is a mountain name. United States of America. Before this we will use the because it is country name. So before these all we will use the. Let's see more values. Before the name of buildings, monuments, trains, ships, we will use the. Like White House, it is a building name, so we will use the. The Shatabdi means Shatabdi is a train name, we will use the before Shatabdi. The Titanic, ship name. Okay, so before Titanic we have used the. Now you see in the image Taj Mahal is there. Okay, it is a monument name. So what we'll use? The Taj Mahal. So these are the uses where all will use the article. Now where all we will not use the. So we do not use the with proper noun. Now what is proper noun? Proper noun is a noun that names a specific particular person, place or thing. Suppose we'll say Ram is a boy. We are specifying the boy name. Ram is there. Okay. So Ram is a proper noun. So before proper noun we will not use the. Example, here see again boy name is Samir. The Samir and Samir. Let's see which one is correct. The first one is wrong. The second one is correct because Samir is a proper noun and before proper noun we do not use the. More example, the Ambala. Again, the Ambala is wrong. Ambala is correct because Ambala is a proper noun. The Sunday. Okay, again Sunday is a proper noun, so we will not use the Sunday. Sunday is the correct answer. Where all more we will not use the. We do not use the with uncountable noun like gold, silver, tea, coffee, sugar, means which we cannot count. See, we cannot count our hairs also. These all are comings in uncountable noun which we cannot count it. Let's see the example here. I bought the silver statue of Lord Krishna. Is this a correct sentence? No, because silver is uncountable noun. That's why the sentence is false. Let's see which is the correct sentence. I bought a silver statue of Lord Krishna. A silver. Now silver is starting with S. S is a consonant. Okay. So before consonant we have used article A here. Okay. And one Lord Krishna is there. That's why we have used A there. And silver is uncountable. So we have not used the here. Next is my mother bought the gold bangle. Again this statement is false. The gold bangle. Gold is uncountable noun. So the correct sentence is my mother bought a gold bangle. You see in the image one gold bangle is there. So A is used as gold. G is consonant. Before consonant we have to use A. We will not use the. Do you want the tea or the coffee? Okay, again the tea and the coffee is there. Again the statement is wrong. Okay, because tea and coffee is uncountable. The correct sentence is, do you want tea or coffee? We do not use the with abstract noun. Now, you know what is abstract noun? Is a word which names something that we cannot see, hear, touch, smell or taste. We cannot see honesty. We cannot taste truthfulness. Okay. We cannot smell knowledge. Okay. Okay. We cannot hear patience. These all are abstract noun examples. So before that we will not use the. For example, you see the honesty is the best policy. Here honesty is abstract noun and the is the given. Means it's a wrong statement. So the correct is honesty is the best policy. The boy is showing an honesty means the boy is an honest boy. Second is the patience. Again patience is an abstract noun. Okay, so before abstract noun we have not to use the. The correct statement is, sentence is, patience is a quality which he greatly admire. Means before patience the is not here. So this is correct statement. Thank you for watching my presentation. Hope you liked my presentation. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.